So this is a calculator question. There's two ways to do it, one simpler than the other, but the other you need to make sure you know how to do it for the exam. So the first way is using the percentage button. So I want to know 124% of 38. So we're literally going to put on our calculator 124. And then I'm going to use my percentage button. Now my percentage button, I will always have to press shift because it's always yellow on the calculator, but on the old calculators it's the brackets button that you need to press. It will normally be above the brackets button. And then on the new calculators you can see it's just here above the answer button. So you're either pressing shift and bracket or shift and ants. So 124% of in maths we know is times, because 6 lots of 4 means 6 times 4. 38. So 124% times 38, and I get 47.12. Now the other way, which you do need to know because they might ask you about it, especially in multiple choice questions, is by using a multiplier. Now I'm just going to take the 124%, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this into a decimal. So we know that 124% is 124 out of 100%. And I know that a fraction is a division, so that means 124 divided by 100. So now if I put it in my place value table, I've got 124, there's my decimal points. I need to divide by 100, so that 1 is going to move, divide by 10, divide by 100, it's going to move to here. So that answer is 1.24. Now this number here is what we call the multiplier. So let's go back to what we wanted. We wanted 124% of 38. I'm not going to use the percent, I'm going to use the decimal instead. So it's going to be 1.24 of in maths is times 38, and I should end up with the same answer. So 1.24 times 38 is equal to 47.12. So what I advise in your exam is you do it one way, you check it using the other way.